Hello, in today's video I will be showing you how to make a balloon, spiral or curly Q out of a 260 balloon, just like this one. Used for several things like octopus tentacles, a snake, decoration on a hat, looks like a spring, so that's pretty cool, it can be used for many things. Clown applications, whatever you want. It's a cool shape. And as you can see, it's only made one balloon, so it's extremely quick and easy to make. There are several methods people use to make this balloon, but I'll show you the way I use and the way I find easiest, which unfortunately not many people seem to show online, but I'll be showing you that method. For this method, as I said, you will only need one balloon, so it's great for beginners, and it's very quick for line work, etc, etc. The drawback of this method is you will need to know how to mouth inflate. And some people find this difficult, but I do believe everyone can manage with some practice. And once you get good at this, it's extremely easy to replicate. So I use this method. If you're just starting out, what you can do, which I'm going to show here, is the balloon is difficult to inflate the first time with your mouth. So the first thing you can do, I must say, it does get a lot harder as you actually do it to inflate. So the first thing I would do is inflate the balloon all the way. You can use a pump if you find it difficult to use your mouth. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to inflate the balloon all the way. The balloon, as you can see, is inflated all the way. I'm going to let all the air out. By doing this, I've stretched out the balloon. It's much more stretched, it's going to be a lot easier to blow up, and you're going to get a better final spiral because it's more malleable, so you get a tighter curl with less effort. What you're going to do now is take the balloon, grab it by its end, hold it, and wrap it a few times around your fingers. Not too tight, because it'll be difficult to blow up, and not too loose. You're going to get 3 wraps, more or less, around your hand. Make sure that it is straight, no kinks in it, because you will not be able to blow it up. And then leave the mouthpiece loose, and from there, what you've got to do is take a deep breath and blow the balloon up. Just try to do it in one breath, blow as hard as you can, and just get the balloon inflated with air, as I'm going to demonstrate right here. And as you see, the balloon is fully inflated. Then tie it off. As you can see, one curly Q finished. And finally, once you get good, you'll realize that you don't actually have to pre-inflate the balloon, but doing the exact same thing will have the same effect. Again, if you can't mouth inflate the balloon, there are many other methods online. People show other methods. Feel free to follow those. They wrap around the pipe instead, blow up with the pump. But yeah. As you see, tie it off. Same effect as the pre-inflation method, just a lot harder to blow it up with your mouth if you're just starting out, but the effect is the same. Thanks for watching.